Hey there, YouTube friends. It's already day 9. And today I thought it would be a great idea to give you a tour of my favorite tree and my favorite room during the holiday season. The kids' game room play area is by far the coziest area in the house, so I'm going to show you around. The tree in our playroom area really is my favorite tree in the house because this is the tree where I display all of the kids' ornaments. We moved the Boy Twins Polar Express train up here this year, and I added the newest addition, this really beautiful rustic Christmas village from Balsam Hill. I am enjoying this tree so much this year because it's so simple, but it's got my children's favorite childhood ornaments, their homemade ornaments, and a couple of my favorites too. Some of you actually saw me debut this tree for Christmas in July in 2019. If you're interested in information on the tree, I'll link that video in the description box below. And how many of you remember this DIY project from last year? I did this with the girls. We had a fantastic time. It was really easy and really fun. I'll link the video for you in the description box as well. This space is very heavily used in our home, especially during this time of year, so it's very lightly styled, but it still feels very festive, welcoming, and warm. We are also big time movie fans all year long, so I'll usually stock a big tray on movie night with our favorite snacks and bring it up so that we don't have to move. We can relax, enjoy our movie, and enjoy each other. We've got hot chocolate, gourmet popcorn, sparkling water, and some more goodies. And we are slowly but surely reducing the play bin area. My kids are starting to get a little bit older, but I keep a few things around for them and my nieces. And I put out a few of my favorite Christmas Village pieces this year, including this really cute wine cellar. I don't have any tips or hacks for you today in this video. I just wanted to share the coziest room in our home during the holiday season because this is the space where our family really comes together to connect and relax and fellowship. Leave a comment below on what your favorite room in your home is during the holiday season and why. Until next time, love and peace.